On today's episode of WatchJRGo, we are back with Amber, everybody's favorite single mom. And today, we are gonna fix her car for real.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully is the key word.
It'll work.
What is going on, guys? I am WatchJRGo, and today, like I said, we are back with Amber's MDX, and she just got some brand new parts in the mail. And yes, we did not go to the dealership. We went with the order it again and see if it works out better this time, because it's still, you can order it 4 times and still be cheaper than the dealer is on this part. So we're trying again.
Yeah.
And this one doesn't look like it has any broken wires, and it's definitely not used.
And there's no peanut butter on this one.
Yeah, no, no white peanut butter.
Yeah.
So I think we're probably good here. This one does look like it is new. The old one kind of looked new too. It was pretty clean, but this one even better. And since we left everything out of the car, it should be relatively easy to swap this out. And you got TPMS sensors too?
Yep.
They're in that box or something?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we can fix the entire car, which is something. So let's get busy with this first and see if all the electronics start working again.
Yeah, and let's hope we don't blow any fuses like last time.
I know, right?
That was crazy.
The car just gave up after.
Yeah, and then all of those wires look intact.
They do.
There's nothing exposed.
Yeah,
So
it looks like
we're off to a better start this time.
much better.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna get in here and start unhooking things, which is pretty easy in the old MDX. You basically just pull. And then once this cover comes off of here, pop that connector off right there, and then I'll crawl inside and get everything knocked out. I hate that I've become a professional at removing the driver door harness on an Acura.
Yeah.
It was never my intent. I've just done it so many times now.
I feel like your body's used to this position. So.
Oh yeah.
Crawling back in there.
You get good at crawling back inside it. But there's one. Come on. Let go. There's 2. All right, and I didn't, hopefully, okay, I didn't hook up the little thing that holds the harness in place. I should have put on gloves. I'm covered in the peanut butter now.
Ew, no. We were gonna avoid that this time.
I don't even think I'm gonna use the wire that I did before to fish this through, because it's pretty easy to get in here without anything additional. This one's not going back in, it's gonna break this time. So let's hope that we got it right.
Yeah, okay, so that's the original one.
Yep, this is the old one.
Okay.
Just for the 30th time if we're counting. All right, that was pretty quick.
Nice.
And then we'll just...
Okay, here's...
You can kind of reach inside that hole, which is something. Like a lot of cars, it's way harder than that, so.
Yeah, it looks a lot easier this time.
Yeah, I'm gonna give old Acura some credit here, because it's really not bad to do this job. She's through.
What was that, like 5 seconds?
Yeah.
See, anybody can do it.
I just gotta crawl underneath.
Yeah.
There's 1. Here's 2. Maybe. That one doesn't want to plug in. Boy, it would be bad if this new one didn't fit and we had to do this for a 3rd time. And it really doesn't want to fit. Let's make sure it's not bending a pin or anything. Everything looks good. I'm gonna try one more time.
Try like really extra good this time.
Yeah, okay.
Woo!
It clicked.
That sounded very good.
It did sound good. And now for the important part here. So we've got the new harness in place. It's time for a little test.
All right.
Don't close the door. I didn't put it all together just in case.
Okay, here we go.
I sort of trust it. All right, step 1. Okay, good. Your screens came on.
Yeah, all the normal stuff.
Okay, no blown fuses yet. Check all the things.
Okay. Okay, ready?
I'll do it.
No!
I don't get it. Is it on?
Yeah, I'm all the way on.
How do the windows not work? How does it work less? We'll get back to work on the MDX here in just a second, but first, I want to take a second to remind you guys that it's almost Christmas. Okay, you probably didn't even forget that, but we're only a few days away and it's too late to get a new watch shipped to you, but it is not too late to get your order in for your Loom Tech today. If you've always wanted to get started collecting watches, or you wanted to pick up your first automatic, or maybe your 50th automatic, Loom Tech is an incredible watch. I love mine to death. They have incredible lume, I mean it's in the name, and they have some watches like the M90 I'm wearing that are waterproof to 600 meters, which is absolutely wild. And they have automotive inspired watches to match things like, say, your Kalahari Edition Land Rover. So like I said, it might be too late to put a watch under the tree, but it's not too late to get your order in and start your watch collection, buy that present for yourself, or buy it for that special someone and just throw a card under the tree. So I'll throw a link in the description below. Check out Loom Tech today to pick up your next timepiece or the perfect gift. And huge thank you to Loom Tech for being an awesome partner and continuing to support automotive creators like me. Now, back to the MDX.
Many minutes later.
Well guys, we just spent 30 minutes repinning this connector, the new one, of course, it's totally wrong. This one showed up and the entire back row or bottom row was flipped. So we've got that matched to the old connector, and I've also checked everything I can see, which is this, and this. We haven't checked the center conductors here, but I'm hoping that the ground would have been the main thing, right? Because the whole door stopped working after we plugged in this one. So hopefully now with the ground, things start working, and we're about to find out if everything works. So that's the fun part, of course. I'm hoping they only messed up one row. I can't believe we should have gone to the dealership at this point. Yeah. Just to not mess with all these terrible, terrible work that was done to all of these. I think we've got it figured out though. Let's put this back in and try one more time. All right, Amber, are you excited?
I mean, at this point, no, but you know, we'll get there.
Hey, there's a chance.
My enthusiasm will rear its head when the window goes back up.
There's a chance it's gonna
I don't even care about the locks anymore, just make the window work again.
There's a good chance it's gonna work, okay?
Okay.
I mean, at least now we've verified mostly every connection. Doing the work the factory's supposed to do.
Now, I have a question though, like, when you buy eBay parts, do they normally come this complicated?
Did you hear that? Something started happening.
I did hear that noise.
I don't know what happened, but something happened. No, normally you never have any problems. This may be like the first part I've ever had issues with, especially consistent issues.
Right. Oh, that's promising.
You're kidding though. One doesn't work.
Oh!
This is, but it's still wrong. There's still connectors messed up.
I mean, I'll take that over. Well, hold on. I've got, oh no, I thought it was like the memo for the second driver key is what. It should work for all of them, shouldn't it? For all
yeah, it should immediately just pop up.
Go try the window.
Well, we need the keys. I think this might be a $35 appetizer that you have to throw away because it still seems like it's wrong. But go ahead and try it. Try out your windows. I mean, the gas door opened, which is, that should make you happy, right?
I mean, not right there.
Okay, there's one. Don't close the door. That's,
okay.
I didn't put it all together. Oh, that's weird. It worked a minute ago, didn't it?
Yeah.
There's still things mispinned for sure.
Oh, now the lock doesn't work on this one.
Did it break everything?
Well, the unlocks work. That used to always work, so now it's...
Try all the windows. Is it on?
Yeah. Let me start the car.
I think it's too late. It broke your screen again. Oh no, okay. So it's
I think my car was just...
All right, it's coming up. Okay, window, lock, unlock, hatch.
Okay, it just won't lock.
It won't lock.
It won't lock.
But how come these windows?
And now the back windows don't work.
But they're clicking like they want to work. I hate to repin this whole connector.
Oh!
It broke this?
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Well guys, we just spent another 30 minutes tracing out nearly every wire in these plugs here. And what we found was they don't even try. The aftermarket did zero verification. They just assumed that white was white, and they don't use any like white with stripes or anything like that. So it was basically a Herculean effort of ohming out every single wire in the plug and making a map, and a
lot of poking and prodding.
A lot of poking around.
And pulling and pushing, and yeah.
Try to get the, yeah. This took longer than it would have taken to wait for the dealership to order it from Japan. Literally. But I think we're there, and we're about to find out if everything works. All right, this time it's either gonna work or it's gonna blow fuses and everything will go wrong.
Well, if everything goes wrong, I want fireworks, you know, just to go big or go home, you know?
That's right. Put it on the flame tune.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the main connector.
Okay.
I think we got it.
Again.
I think we got it. Oh. All right. Let me get all the peanut butter off my hands here. I'm literally covered in that lithium grease after sorting through every single wire. You ready?
Okay.
I don't know why memory 1 doesn't work.
Yeah. Well, okay. Let's just go.
Let's try Windows.
Okay.
Okay.
Window.
Wait, why does it work? We definitely fixed a lot. I think they still have more wires that are wrong. But I don't know why your locks worked and now suddenly don't.
Okay. Oh, you have to hold that.
Oh, you do? Will it close? Does it normally close?
It normally closes.
Let's... All right, we are making progress because before it locked the hatch out.
Yeah, but okay, so this works now, but then if I have my car started.
Maybe it's because the door's open,
It unlocks.
Yeah.
Windows work. It does not unlock.
I wonder if it just needs the door closed to lock and unlock, so try all the locks again. Does the memory work again? The 2? Okay, but what about 1? Okay, memory works now.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know what's up with your locks. That's really weird. I almost think the multiplex unit might be bad as well.
Okay.
But start it and see.
Well, hold on, let me just turn it off.
Try.
Okay, it works when the key is not in the ignition.
Yeah, okay, try hatch again with it.
Okay, unlock the door. No.
Nothing?
No.
There must be one more wire that's flipped or something. I don't get it. Oh, so far
this is pretty entertaining.
We've rebuilt the whole harness.
Okay, let's see. Well, now let me see. So, with the car on, let's see if I can get my...
Yeah. Start it and see if the hatch works. Fuel door?
Oh, okay, as long as that works. I don't
Yeah.
have to manually get in the back. Well, then I couldn't get my back hatch open. No. Okay.
Yeah, fuel door works great.
Unlock.
Unlock and lock work now.
Didn't it just not work?
Yeah, it wanted the door closed for that for sure.
Okay.
Yeah. I really think the hatch button is something weird. I almost think we got every single thing right.
Let's try it one more time.
I think we should go through one more time and ohm out the entire connector set.
Yeah.
I hate to do it.
I mean, it's really interesting messing around with it and seeing what stops what and then what makes what work.
Yeah.
It's very finicky.
It's very finicky.
Yeah.
That's for sure. All right, guys, this is round 3 of connector repin. And I think this time we finally have all of it sorted out. And now that it's all fixed, the connectors won't go back in the hole, which is hilarious. Okay, there we go. I got it in there. All right, you ready to test this for the final time?
Yeah. Okay, so
At
last time...
Last time was the last time, but this is the real last time. That's what we're going with. I think I'm confident, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and snap this in place. So there's no going back.
Yeah, you're locked in at this point.
Yeah.
Good for you.
It's just gonna happen.
Yeah. Okay, so this time
There's the noise.
Yeah.
We got the good noise. All right.
Back hatch is gonna work. And
Oh yeah.
Lock buttons are gonna work.
Everything's gonna work. Go for it. Honestly.
That works.
I at this point, I don't even think your TPMS sensors are getting done today.
Oh,
But
no.
go ahead and try. You can close the door and everything. Let me close the gas cap. Windows, gas cap.
Hey, ready?
Yep. Hatch. It all works.
Yay!
The whole car works.
Oh, wow. Just, you know,
Yes.
20 different times later.
Well, was it worth $100
I mean, yeah.
to repin the harness yourself?
Yeah. I mean, it kind of took us that long, but it wasn't that bad.
It wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad.
I mean, what? That's like an hour of our day.
It feels like 40 hours to me. It feels like we put in a full week just because the amount of brain power to process every pin.
I mean,
every pin.
I guess you're right. And then how many videos? And then ordering parts, waiting for the parts. Okay, so essentially,
We could have had it all fixed the second day for $135.
yeah. I mean, lesson learned. You know,
Lesson learned.
we thought we'd get a good deal off of eBay, and it would be. As long as you find someone that knows how to hook it up and like what troubleshoot,
As long as you find someone that
that's
can,
great. But
that
like
can rewire a
it's
brand new harness.
getting the right part. So, okay. Well,
All right, let me put it all back together. I'm gonna
right.
put your car back together real quick.
Yay!
And we'll see if we can get your TPMS sensors done today.
Okay.
All right, Amber, your car is back on the ground with 4 new TPMS sensors. We've replaced them all, but we still have to program them to the car.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Well,
we made a lot of progress. I went ahead and popped all the beads on the wheels and replaced all the sensors.
Yeah, I was gonna say you made a lot of progress. Thank you for that.
Yeah, it had to be done. So we can clean up Johnny's shop real quick before we get out of here. Throw away my mess here. Shout out to the Hunter tire machine making our lives super easy. This is so nice to pop a bead on a tire in like seconds and have it all back together. And now we have some hex IDs to collect. You can see these are the Honda OEM sensors right there. 42753 STK-A04. And let's program some Acura sensors here. Sensor programming, yes. Actually, I think we can do TPMS diagnostics and just scan each wheel. Shout out new sensors, they're so fast. And the hex ID was right there, so hopefully my plan works. So right now we've got check TPMS system and then communicating with the vehicle. Hopefully we got everything right. Okay. View DTCs. Come on, let me write the sensor IDs in. That's all I need. That's all I need. Well, thanks, Johnny.
Always.
We got it all swapped out.
Well, you can use that machine better than me.
I don't know if I can.
I never used it. Well, I used it once and I almost broke it, so.
Well, hopefully I didn't break anything. I think we're good. All right, man, we're out of here. Have a good one.
You too.
So I think I got everything sorted out here, but you tell me, is the TPMS light on yet? I think we got it.
Finally.
We just drove over here and we've got door open but no TPMS light, and it doesn't show up on the screen either. I think the hex IDs wrote in just the way we wanted. It looks like everything's good there, so we can go ahead and unplug this and call your MDX a W.
Yes.
After a lot of work.
I don't have to look at that stupid light sensor on my dash all the time.
No TPMS light, all your
And-
switches work.
Just listen to that clicking.
Isn't that awesome?
Everything works.
So does the whole remote work now?
Yeah, that should work. Well, I guess let's try it. It was just locking, but
Yeah. Lock.
there we go.
It all works? That's crazy the remote works after that.
That's awesome.
Huh.
Okay.
All right.
Good deal.
Well, that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to shop.WatchJRGo.com for cool shirts just like this. And please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. All right, yeah. Have fun with your car.
Yeah.
That's your Christmas present.
Yay! And birthday.
And birthday.
My birthday was the 8th.
Okay, okay. Well, do you want this? You want the old one?
No, I don't want to look at it again. Do you? Do you want to save it as a souvenir? We can hang it on the wall.
I'll throw it in the iron pile for
Okay,
you.
yeah. We'll wrap it and give it to somebody as a
That's
joke.
right. Yeah, somebody wants their Acura fixed with a broken one.
Yeah.